The Fashion Pavilion in Milan is intended to connect people to fashion and architecture. During the design process, we considered the park, the poetic relationship to fashion, and an explorative moment for the public to activate the current site. The installation challenges the current state of fashion and wasteful clothing industry by using recycled textile materials as the formal and interactive medium. The pavilion is located within the central vista of Parco Sempione, capturing the essence of fashion design. With this project, what we were initially looking for was to transform waste into a playful medium. We considered elements such as structure, cladding, and a hammock structure for visitors to engage with. The fashion industry is well known to start trends in popular styles, and in the process, takes a lot of resources to meet public demands. Regardless of the quality or cost, the quantity of waste afterwards is alarming. From our research, an average American throws away approximately 80 pounds of clothing per year.
The inspiration was to use recycled textiles such as cotton to reveal this aspect of the industry to the public. Recycled clothing after sanitation can be cut into strips and weaved into numerous types of yarn and rope. By inviting users to interact with recycled fabrics, the installation explores possible futures imagined for the discarded clothes beyond the landfill. Strips of rope are assembled into knots, ties, and weaving patterns to create architectural surfaces such as cladding and hammocks. The pavilion aims to establish a conversation with the elements of Parco Sempione and nearby historic architecture, allowing for transparency and visual connections located on the central axis of the park. Framed by scaffolding, visitors can access 3 hammocks on any side of the pavilion. We wanted the pavilion to disappear after Milan's Fashion Week without leaving any trace on site. For the structure, we wanted to use rented scaffolding with temporary concrete footings to create a frame onto which to attach the rope's assembly.
After the scaffolding is assembled, the recycled ropes are tied to the structure on the interior to form the hammocks. The intent is for the ropes to be untied and reused after the disassemblage of the pavilion. Upon approaching the pavilion from the outside, the public is faced with walls of recycled yarn and rope. People are invited to enter a scattering of colors and textures, hanging from the frame structure of scaffolding above. In section, the transition from the busy park into an isolated and playful interior is an act of exploration and engagement. Reaching deeper into the pavilion, the space defoliates, framing the sky, shaded by the tree canopy. Not a pavilion is intended for users to relax in the hammocks while being surrounded by recycled materials. The hope with this project is to create a precedent for responsible material consumption while staying playful and engaging.